In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the header smaller in Wix. If you're looking to declutter your website or simply want a more compact design for your site's navigation, adjusting your header size on Wix is a straightforward task. And don't worry, I'll guide you through each step, ensuring you're comfortable with the process from start to finish. First up, we need to head over to the Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens. If you haven't already, log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the editor for the specific site you want to modify. This tool is incredibly versatile and user-friendly, which is great for both beginners and seasoned web designers. Next, within the editor, locate your header. Your header typically contains your menu and sometimes a logo or a site title. Click directly on the header area within the editor. This is crucial because selecting the header ensures that the next steps we take will apply specifically to it, allowing us to make the desired adjustments to its size. Once you've highlighted your header, you'll notice a set of options appear. Now let's focus on adjusting the size. Look for a small icon with arrows pointing up and down. This icon is what you'll be using to resize your header. By clicking and dragging these arrows, you can easily make your header larger or smaller depending on your needs. When adjusting the header size, take your time to find the right balance. Your goal should be to make it visually appealing and ensure all elements are still accessible and readable. If your header contains a logo or text, double-check that resizing the header doesn't compromise the quality or readability of these elements. Resize gradually and don't rush. Small tweaks can make a big difference in the overall look and feel of your site. After adjusting, preview your website to ensure everything looks great and functions properly. This preview feature is an invaluable tool that lets you see how your site appears to visitors before it goes live. And remember, you can always go back and make further adjustments if needed. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to make the header smaller in Wix. It's always a good idea to save your work frequently, so make sure to hit that save button to ensure none of your hard work is lost. By keeping your header sleek and compact, you enhance the overall user experience for your visitors, making navigation more straightforward and engaging. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Enjoy designing your website with confidence.